Eating at night will make you fat. Weight gain depends on daily calorie balance, not on when did you eat. Debunking common myths. Being cold makes you sick. Cold weather itself doesn't make you sick. Catching a cold is more likely when viruses are around, and we tend to be indoors around people more in winter, increasing exposure. Would you prefer to catch cold tonight? Cracking your knuckles will cause you arthritis. Cracking your knuckles is just a gas bubble release, not joint damage. Comment "I cracked" and let your autocorrect finish the sentence. I will pin the most liked comment. Shaving causes hair to grow back thicker. Shaving does not alter the thickness or color of hair. The stubble may feel coarser because it has a blunt tip, but it's not actually thicker or darker. If you want to get